Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now before us is this WAEC 2026 further maths objective question number 2 and 3, that if 2 cos square theta equals 1 plus sine theta, and if 0 is less than or equals to theta and theta is less than or equals to 90 degree, find the value of theta. So how do you go about this? Alright, so let's get started. Let's write out the equation here. You have what? 2 cos square theta then equals 1 plus sine theta. Now let us recall that according to this trigonometry identity, which says cos square theta plus sine square theta equals 1. So if I should make cos theta the subject of relation, then this becomes cos theta then equals 1 minus sine square theta. So I want to replace this cos square theta by this 1 minus sine square theta. So here you have that 2 into 1 minus sine square theta then equals 1 plus sine theta. Okay, now why I did this is for me to ensure that I have sine theta throughout the equation. So to this end, let us open the bracket. So I have here 2 minus 2 sine square theta then equals 1 plus sine theta. Okay, so let us collect like term. By collecting like terms, then this 1, okay, comes to the left and the whole of this moves to the right. So this becomes 2 minus 1 then equals 2 sine theta then plus sine theta. Sorry, this is 2 sine square theta. So we end up having 1 then equals 2 sine square theta then plus sine theta. So let us rearrange this. We have 2 sine square theta then plus sine theta then equals what? 1. So if you take a look at this equation, you see it's a quadratic. Okay, so let us represent sine x for, let's say, y or x. So let me just use x. So here I have 2. Then if sine theta is x, it means sine square theta will be x squared. So here you have what? X squared then plus x then equals to what? 1. So if I should bring this one to the left hand side, now the equation becomes minus 1 equals 0. So for us to factorize this, all we just need to do is open 2 parentheses then equals 0. Now since the variable it has a leading coefficient of 2, put 2 here, you put 2 here, then has a variable of x, put x here, then put x here. So all we just need to do here now is just multiply these 2, okay, by the constant -1. So that will give us -2. So -2, what will multiply to give us -2, and we add to give us what? +1. Where the +1 is here. Okay, so now this should give us -2 times, no, sorry, this should give us 2 times -1. So which when we multiply will give us -2, and when we add, that will be 2 minus 1 will give us what? 1. So all we just need to do here is add 2 here then -1 here. So if you take a look at this side, you see it has a factor of 2. Just let's divide both sides by 2. We end up having that x plus 1 then into 2x minus 1 or equals to what? 0. Okay, since 2 times multiplies to give us 0, so it is either the 2 of them equals 0 or one of it equals 0. So let us confirm. Here you now have x plus 1 equals 0. So making x, solving for x here, we have that x equals -1. So the next one is 2x minus 1 equals 0, and solving for x here, our x equals 1 over 2. So these are the two solutions of x. So let us now substitute the x for sine theta. So recall that sine theta equals x, and the two solutions for x are x equals -1 and x equals 1 over 2. So if I have to replace our x for sine theta, we have sine theta equals -1, and here sine theta then equals 1 over 2. Okay, for if sine theta here is negative, so it means it should be at the third quadrant and the fourth quadrant, so which is within 270. Okay, yeah, 270. So definitely, and it's beyond the range given here, which is what, 90. So definitely we can see here that this is out of range. So let us solve. So sine theta equals 1 over 2. So theta will then be the inverse of 1 over 2. So and we know that 1 over 2 is 0.5. So and the inverse of the sine inverse of 0.5, that should give us what, 30 degrees. So the value of x that satisfies the equation is, the value of theta that satisfies the equation is 30. Alright, please, if you love what I've just done, kindly like, subscribe, and don't fail to share with other learners. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.